Today we are going to understand what is Google Analytics and why we need Google Analytics. Now, the very basic question is that when we come up with our website, the objective is to bring traffic. As you have seen in one of my videos that I've talked about that there are mainly two objectives. One is to bring traffic and another is to monetize the traffic. So how we can bring traffic? So let's say you have a website and you have done a lot of efforts in bringing traffic, and efforts like you have done a very nice SEO, and so SEO is actually bringing organic traffic. You have done very effectively. You're doing effective campaigns on social media, which is actually bringing traffic from via social media like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and so henceforth. You are also very effectively doing and very dedicatedly doing AdWords. So AdWord is also bringing traffic to your website. And finally, there are tools like email marketing, mobile marketing, which are also helping you to bring traffic. Now the question is that which of these pillars are actually bringing right traffic to your website, which are actually taking your business to the next level. Now how can you know it? You can only know it if at one place you know which traffic source is actually driving your business, and you can monitor all the other KPIs. What is KPI? KPI is key performance indicator, correct? So for example, SEO is actually bringing X amount of traffic, or let's say 100 people are coming from SEO, okay? And out of those 100, 40 people are actually going and submitting the form on your website. Compared to social media, AdWords, and other, SEO is the most effective. But how do you know that? You can only know it if in one place you're getting all these data points, correct? Now, once you get this data points, then only you can know that SEO is working and others are actually not working effectively. This can be done if you sync your website with your Google Analytics. So once you sync your website with Google Analytics, it is that place where you can actually understand all the traffic that is coming to your website. So Google Analytics can actually help you in understanding all the traffic that is coming to your website, how they are performing, how they are moving ahead, and what all actions they are doing on your website. At the same time, you can compare all the different sources. So to know how to sync a website with Google Analytics, let me take you inside the website and let me show you step-by-step process. So
now
let's go inside.
the most important part, how to create Google Analytics account. It's a very simple thing but very important thing. So whatever I'm going to tell you in next 3-4 slides, and I'm going to show you how to link it, please write it down these steps, and once you get time, you please go and link your website or create your account. Okay, the first thing, step 1, you have to have a Google account. If you don't have a Google account, please create a Google account. If you have a Google account, very good, okay, because we'll be needing a Google account to create our analytics account. Step 2, you have to go to Google, search for Google Analytics. When you search for Google Analytics, you will see a page like link. Click on the link on the result, okay, and you'll see a page like this. Then you need to click sign in. Once you click sign in, a drop down will come. Lot of options you will see. Just select analytics and that, okay. Once you choose analytics, then it will actually take you to page like this, okay, and then you need to click on sign up button. So when you click on sign up button, it actually takes you inside and create your and ask you a lot of information. It asks you a lot of information like you need to select the website. You need to give the informations like your account, the name of the account, the website name, your URL, okay, your industry, your time zone. So let's say you are in US, so you have to choose your time zone. Let's say you are in India, you have to choose your time zone. So choose your time zone accordingly, and it looks like this. So once you choose sign up, it will ask you whether you have a website or an app. So whatever you have, you can actually select them. Then give account name, okay. Account name is basically, let's say you are tracking all your personal websites, like say your blog, your travel blog, your personal website. So you can give your name _ personal websites, okay. So you can give like that, okay. Then you can give your website name. Website name is not the website URL. Website name is the name of the website, okay. Don't get confused. Then at the bottom you see there's something called website URL. So choose the HTTP format. Okay, if you are a secured HTTPS, then choose HTTPS. If you're just having HTTP, just let it over there and then give your website URL over here. So name is different, URL is different. Don't get confused in this two, guys. Okay, then choose your industry. Let's say you can choose the industry from the drop down. You can choose business, finance, whatever industry in which your website is operating, you can choose them. Choose your time zone. So select your select your country, and your time zone will automatically be selected over here. So if you are India, select on the drop down, choose India, and then over here automatically the time zone will come. So once you have given all these information, then what you have to do is you have to check all the recommended boxes that will be there. Do click all the boxes, okay, because it will help Google to track your website and give you proper information. And once you click on it will be by default, it will be ticked, okay. Then you click on the get tracking ID. Once you click on the tracking ID, it actually takes you to a page where you need to accept terms and conditions. One important thing, guys, when you are accepting terms and conditions, before that, just choose your state or choose a country over here. Okay, don't choose I accept, because for every person it's a different country. Okay, so if you're watching this video from US, keep it US. If you're watching this video from India or any other country, you choose your country over here and then click I accept. The moment you click I accept, then it takes you inside and it creates your account, and that's how you have to create your Google Analytics account. So these are the steps that are very simple, very basic, okay, but very important. Do not miss anything, especially the time zone, the country, okay, because those are very important thing. Once you accept, then it is difficult to change. Also, don't get confused in website name and website URL, because a lot of times I see in my class itself that after repeatedly I have told them that don't get confused in website name and website URL, they paste the website URL and website name. Okay, so that's something that you can avoid. Okay, so be alert and be attentive. Now we have created our account in Google Analytics. Now we need to link our website with Analytics. So that's the very important thing. See, just creating an account doesn't help. What we have to do is we have to make sure that the people who are coming to our website should be able to get tracked by Google Analytics. Now, in order to give access to Google Analytics, we have to make sure that the website and the analytics are linked, else the data will not get transferred. So we need to link the website. Okay, and I will be showing you for both WordPress website and other websites. Okay, so for WordPress website, what you have to do is, step one, you have to log into your WordPress website. Okay, go to your website and log in into your dashboard. Okay, then once you have logged into the dashboard, go to your plugin section. Don't worry, I'll take you inside and I'll show you how exactly you have to do, but just write down the process and understand the process. Once you are inside the admin dashboard, okay, over there on the left hand side you will see something called plugins. Okay, in the plugins you will see add new. Click on add new. Over there on the you'll see a window will open up. Okay, and on the window on the top right you'll see a search box is there. In the search box, just write this name. Search for this plugin, Google Analytics for WordPress by Monster Insight. Okay, when you search for this plugin, download this plugin, and then you have to authenticate your account. Okay, once you authenticate your account, it will ask you a lot of information. Okay, it will ask you to choose your account, like you created your Google account with xyz@gmail.com. Okay, so when you're authenticating your account and when they're asking you to choose your account, you have to choose xyz@gmail.com. Okay, so that is something that you have to do. Then once you authenticate it, then it will ask you to click on the allow button. So once you click on the allow button, then it will ask you to once you allow it, then Google Analytics profile, you have to choose the website for which you want to track it. So let's say you have entered the website in the account section, which we were just doing it. Let me show you once again. Yeah, so whatever website you will be giving over here in the URL section, okay, that website will come in the drop down. Okay, in the choose the Google Analytics website. So you have to choose the website which for which you want to give the access to Monster Insight. And once you do that, your website and your Google Analytics will be linked and data will start getting it will start getting reflected on Google Analytics. Okay, so these are the steps that are very simple steps. Okay, no code word is required. You can also do it via coding. Okay, but Monster Insight something that can help you to track it in a much better way. Okay, so that is something that you can do. Next thing that you can do is, this is for WordPress site. Now let's say if you don't have WordPress site, you have a different site, then what you can do is uh, go to Google Analytics. In the Google Analytics, in the left hand side, you will see admin tab is there. Click on the admin tab. In the admin tab, you will see the second column is the property column. Click on that. In the property column, you will see something called tracking info. Okay, in the tracking info, you will see a code like this. Okay, so copy this code. Okay, copy the code which is there in the box. Once you copy this code, you need to paste this code, okay, into the every web page that you want to track. Okay, and if you are not getting enough support, or you're not understanding it, then you can take a help of a developer who can help you in pasting the code. Okay, because if you see, the code needs to be placed in all the pages which you want to track. Okay, so make sure that your all the pages have this code, so that Google Analytics can track your pages and traffic. Once you do this, then refresh your website, and your website is linked with the analytics, Google Analytics.